Many vendors now provide pre-modeled equipment that you can use in your designs. These models may come in AutoCAD or other design software formats like Indenture. If you are lucky enough to receive a model, you can easily convert it into a plant 3D equipment model using the Convert Equipment tool. For example, let's open a drawing and add a new piece of equipment. When you select the vessel and view its properties, you'll see that it's just an AutoCAD block with no intelligence. It's simply geometry. Checking the data manager, you'll notice that this vessel doesn't show up in the vessel listings. To make it a fully recognized piece of equipment, select the model, go to the equipment panel, and click on the Convert Equipment button. In the dialog that appears, choose the appropriate class for the equipment. In this case, I'll select a vessel. Set the base point for the insert, then provide a description and tag. I'll enter description as LinkedIn vessel and set the tag to 407-1 and apply it. Now, if we check the vessel listings, the new vessel appears complete with its description and tag. Looking at the properties, it's no longer just an AutoCAD block, but a full piece of equipment with data fields to fill in. Next, we can add nozzles. If nozzles are already part of the original block, we avoid duplicating them. Instead, we create a node point on the nozzle to connect to piping. I'll right-click on the equipment and select Add Nozzle. Then, I'll choose a center point on the top ring of this flange, where you'll notice a small node is placed. I'll select that point and specify the direction for the nozzle. In this case, I want it to run vertically from the center point, so I'll select a point above it. I can now review the nozzle settings and adjust them as needed. Let's say I decide to use an 12-inch, 300-pound nozzle. I'll select that option and confirm by closing. You'll notice the nozzle now shows teardrops, indicating it's ready for piping. I'll select an 12-inch pipe, either CS150 or CS300. Once I approach the nozzle, I can seamlessly extend the piping as you would with any standard piece of equipment. Using third-party blocks, you can seamlessly integrate external models into your plant 3D system. Always ask your vendors if they have 3D models available. If they do, it can save a lot of time in your modeling process. It's worth asking.